Hey everybody, we got another eventful week ahead of us. So far it looks like the Nasdaq is crashing down. The NQ, which is the Nasdaq futures. So far the market's not looking so hot, but below this 342 level, we got a lot of support. It's like an area of demand. So if we break that area, then we can head down a lot because whenever we fall down into this range, we seem to get bought up. But if we break down under that range, so if we break down under like 338, we're probably gonna test that low from this day. And if we break that low, we're going down to 330 pretty quick. We could be setting up to make the same type of move that we did here, 402 to 342. So like a 60-point move down. We could be setting up to make that type of move from up here, which would put us down at like 310. So I mean, we could be setting up to make another 60-point move down. As crazy as that sounds, it's possible. So yeah, if we take out that 330 level, we can see 316 pretty quick because we have that large area here where there's really not much support, and it's just like there's a huge area here, and we're set up to tank if we go this low. So yeah, under 329 is really bad for the QQQ. And then we need 354 in order to retest, 362, maybe the 200-day moving average as well. The 21 SMA and 9 EMA are huge resistances now, right? And if we break above them, then we could head higher in the short term. But if we just close at them, we could easily just head right back down. So that's what I'll be watching for this week. 335 and the 330 level for support, and under 329 is where it gets really bad. The SPY, let's see what we got here. So yeah, for the SPY, it looks like we closed at a major support level as well. And the futures are breaking down right now. So if we break underneath this demand area, right? Because this area has been an area of high demand for quite some time, where all these times that we fell into it, we came right back up. So if we break under that area of demand, that shows that the sellers are starting to take over more than they were here. So, that's something to be watching for. And if we do break that area of demand and we break 427, we're going to see 422. And, under 420 is where things get ugly. But I have been calling for a drop to 420 all week, so it would not surprise me at all. Under 420, can see 414. Let's see here. So the major supports below for the SPY is about 427, 420, 415, and 407. We're going to have to retake the 200-day moving average for bulls to have any chance of, taking over here. And under the 200-day moving average, the bears are in control. But, it looks like the PCL was very, very, very high on Friday close. So, it's only in very, very, very rare circumstances that the PCL gets any higher than 1. And when the PCL reaches a high, the market usually bounces in order to bring the PC all down. So we could be looking at a bounce on Monday, or we could be looking at a big drop and then a bounce. But you know, either way, I do think SPY wants to see 420. We've definitely had a funky market lately, though, and you know, anything's possible. We could drop 3%. We could, you know, go up 3%. Anything's really possible in this market right now. Also, be on the lookout for the VIX over 29, right? Because over 29, it'll be in that area where it, you know, likes to move up to 37. And then over 41 is where, like, you know, the market is really just going insane to the downside.